Have you noticed something strange when people talk about Quonset hut homes? One person says they built theirs for under $100,000. Another says theirs cost over $400,000. And somehow both of them claim they're telling the truth. So what is the real number? Is a Quonset hut actually one of the cheapest ways to build a home in 2026? Or is it just another internet myth that falls apart once the bills start arriving? Today, we're going to answer that question once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where the money goes. Which costs surprise almost every first-time builder. Where Quonset homes genuinely save money. Where they don't save money at all. And most importantly, whether building one actually makes financial sense in today's market. Because the truth is far more interesting than either the $100,000 dream or the $400,000 horror story. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding. The reason Quonset hut cost estimates are all over the place is because people are often talking about completely different things. One person is talking about the shell. Another is talking about a finished home. Someone else already owned the land. Someone did most of the work themselves. Someone hired contractors for everything. It's like comparing the price of a car engine to the price of a complete car and wondering why the numbers don't match. The shell is only one piece of the puzzle. And that's where many people get caught off guard. They see a Quonset hut kit advertised for $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 and think they're halfway to a finished house. In reality, they're often just getting started. So let's break down where the money actually goes. The first major cost is land. And before you click away thinking land prices vary too much to matter, stay with me. Because even though land costs differ across the country, they have a huge impact on your total budget. In some parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, or Tennessee, a few acres might cost less than a new pickup truck. In parts of Colorado, Florida, California, or North Carolina, that same acreage could cost several times more. For many buyers, land alone ends up consuming anywhere from $20,000 to well over $100,000 of the total project budget. And that's before a single shovel touches the ground. Then comes site preparation. This is where reality begins to show up. Trees may need clearing. The land may need grading. A driveway might need to be installed. Utilities may need trenches. Drainage problems may need correcting. None of these things are exciting. Nobody dreams about spending money on dirt work. But they matter. And they can easily add thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars before construction officially begins. Now let's talk about the part everyone focuses on. The Quonset hut shell itself. This is the star of the show. The giant steel arch. The iconic curved shape. The reason people click on videos like this in the first place. And this is where Quonset huts genuinely have an advantage. Compared to many conventional structures, the shell is remarkably cost-efficient. The steel arches arrive prefabricated. Assembly is relatively fast. The structure is incredibly strong. And you're essentially getting your roof and primary structure at the same time. That's a big deal. But here's the mistake many people make. They assume the shell is most of the house. It isn't. In many projects, the shell represents only a fraction of the total finished cost. Because after the shell comes the foundation. And foundations aren't optional. Whether you're building a Quonset hut or a traditional home, concrete still costs money. Excavation still costs money. Reinforcement still costs money. And depending on location and design requirements, foundations can become one of the larger line items in the entire project. Then comes what might be the most important category of all. Insulation. If there's one area where experienced Quonset owners almost universally agree, it's this. Do not cut corners on insulation. A steel structure without proper insulation becomes an oven in summer and a refrigerator in winter. Temperature control becomes miserable. Energy bills increase. Condensation can become a serious problem. And fixing insulation mistakes after construction is far more expensive than doing it right the first time. Many first-time builders underestimate this category because it isn't glamorous. Nobody posts Instagram photos of insulation. But it can have a bigger impact on daily comfort than almost any luxury finish inside the home. Now let's move inside. Because this is where budgets often start accelerating. Electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC, interior framing, drywall, lighting, flooring, cabinetry, countertops, bathrooms, appliances, doors, trim, paint. Every one of these categories exists whether you're building a Quonset hut or a conventional home. And here's something many people don't realize. The Quonset shape doesn't automatically make these things cheaper. Your kitchen still costs what a kitchen costs. Your bathroom still costs what a bathroom costs. Your electrical system still costs what an electrical system costs. A lot of the expenses that make up a house remain exactly the same regardless of what's sitting over the top of them. Which brings us to one of the biggest myths in alternative housing. Many people assume Quonset huts save money everywhere. They don't. They save money in specific places. And understanding those places is the key to budgeting accurately. But before we talk about savings, let's discuss the 5 hidden costs that surprise builders most often. Hidden cost number 1. Utility connections. If electricity, water, or sewer aren't already nearby, costs can rise quickly. Running utilities longer distances can dramatically affect budgets. And many buyers don't think about this until after purchasing land. Hidden cost number 2. Permits and engineering. Depending on your area, additional engineering may be required. Some jurisdictions aren't accustomed to residential Quonset structures. That can add both cost and time. Hidden cost number 3. Windows. People often underestimate how expensive quality windows have become. Yet windows are one of the most important components in comfort, efficiency, and appearance. Hidden cost number 4. Change orders. Almost nobody finishes a project exactly as originally planned. Ideas evolve. Features get upgraded. New opportunities appear. Small decisions accumulate. And budgets grow. Hidden cost number 5. Contingency expenses. Something unexpected almost always happens. Maybe it's drainage. Maybe it's excavation. Maybe it's weather delays. Maybe it's material increases. Experienced builders expect surprises and budget accordingly. Now let's answer the question everyone wants answered. What does a Quonset hut home actually cost in 2026? The most honest answer is that there isn't one number. There are 3 realistic scenarios. Let's start with the budget build. This is the version most people see online. You already own land or buy inexpensive rural property. You act as your own general contractor. You handle a significant amount of labor yourself. Finishes remain simple. Nothing fancy. No luxury upgrades. No elaborate architectural features. In this scenario, some builders may complete projects in the low to mid 6 figures. But there's a catch. The savings come largely from labor. Not magic. Not steel arches. Labor. You're investing your own time, effort, and construction knowledge. The second scenario is what most people actually build. The realistic build. Professional contractors handle most major work. Finishes are comfortable and attractive. The home feels complete and move-in ready. You're not chasing luxury, but you're not cutting every possible corner either. For many people, this is where the true Quonset home market lives. This is the range where buyers get the durability, unique design, and lower maintenance benefits without turning the project into a full-time job. Then there's the premium build. Large glass walls, custom kitchens, high-end bathrooms, designer finishes, architectural upgrades, extensive site work, premium locations. Luxury doesn't disappear simply because the roof is curved. A premium Quonset home can easily compete with high-end conventional homes in both appearance and cost. And that's important to understand. Quonset homes are not automatically cheap homes. They are flexible homes. Now let's talk about where they genuinely save money. First, structural efficiency. The arch design is incredibly strong. It spans large distances without interior support columns. That creates open layouts that might require more expensive structural solutions in conventional construction. Second, speed of shell assembly. A Quonset shell can go up surprisingly quickly. Getting under roof faster can simplify certain parts of the construction process. Third, long-term durability. Steel doesn't attract termites. It doesn't rot. And when properly maintained, the shell can last for decades. Fourth, maintenance. Compared to many traditional exterior materials, maintenance requirements can be lower over the life of the building. But now let's discuss where they don't save money. Interior finishes. Not cheaper. Bathrooms. Not cheaper. Kitchens. Definitely not cheaper. Mechanical systems. Not cheaper. Utilities. Not cheaper. Many first-time builders become disappointed because they expect savings everywhere. The reality is more nuanced. The shell saves money. The structure saves money. The overall design can create efficiencies. But a large portion of home construction costs remain largely unchanged. Now let's look beyond construction. Because build cost is only part of the story. What happens after move-in? This is where Quonset homes often become more attractive. Lower maintenance requirements. Potential energy efficiency when properly insulated. Strong resistance to weather. Long-lasting materials. These benefits don't always show up in the initial budget. But they can matter significantly over 5, 10, or 20 years. And that leads us to the final question. Is it worth it? For some people, absolutely. For others, not at all. If your goal is simply finding the absolute cheapest possible shelter, a Quonset home may not be the answer. But if you're already planning to build a home and you're comparing construction methods, the equation changes. You get a distinctive design, exceptional structural strength, potential long-term maintenance advantages, open interior spaces, and a home that looks unlike almost anything else on the road. That combination is why interest in Quonset homes continues to grow. So what is the real cost of building a Quonset hut home in 2026? The real answer is this. It's not about the shell. It's about the complete project. The shell might be what attracts you, but the total cost is determined by everything that comes after it. The land, the site work, the utilities, the insulation, the finishes, the labor, the decisions, the mistakes avoided, and the priorities you choose. The people who claim Quonset homes cost almost nothing are usually leaving out important pieces of the story. The people who claim they cost as much as luxury homes are often describing fully customized projects. The truth lives somewhere in the middle. And once you understand that, you're already ahead of most first-time builders. If you're considering a Quonset hut home, tell me in the comments, what's the biggest question you still have about building one? And if you enjoyed this honest breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Because in the next video, we're looking at something even more surprising. Whether Quonset hut homes are actually better to live in than traditional houses after the honeymoon phase wears off. Some owners say they'll never go back. Others discovered challenges they never expected. And the answer might completely change how you think about alternative housing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.